What's good, everybody? It's your girl Rashay here, back again with another video, and this time it's gonna be a vlog. And if you can't tell, I am not vlogging on my normal phone camera. I'm vlogging on an actual camera. This is the Rebel T3i. The only reason I'm vlogging on this camera is because I borrowed it from school because I have a vlog assignment. Surprise, this is that vlog assignment. We have a lot to get to in this vlog. First off, life update. Coronavirus is ruining my life. I lost 2 of my jobs out of the 3. All that leaves is my internship left, and that's not gonna pay my bills, so that's exciting. School got canceled because of coronavirus, so I have no idea how I'm supposed to turn this camera in, and I don't know what's going on anymore. What am I gonna do with my life? Other than that, I have a couple of really quick fixes that I need to do for other people. They're like clients of mine. And then I also have this client who does not pick up their order every time they say they're going to. I keep saying, hey, I have your stuff. And they're like, oh, okay, we'll get it this day or we'll get it that day. And they never do. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I still have their stuff. But this vlog is going to be held over a couple. My cat is on my fridge now. Sorry. I have no idea what I'm going to do in these couple of days, but we will figure it out together because that's what we do best. I look like crap today. If you can't tell, I was rocking this new hairstyle of mine. Hopefully I'll have that last video up where you saw the hairstyle before this. But until then, she's so distracting. Just look at her. Look at her. Okay, she's getting down now. Anyways, today I have to go to Tiffany's. I gotta take the nail polish off. I got to chop these things out of my hair because they're irritating and they just don't look good anymore. And then we're gonna get ready for a party. So if I look like trash today, it's because I feel like trash. Other than that, yeah, let's get on to today's video. Now. So we have a lot to do today, guys. We have to run a couple errands before we jump to internship today. It's literally Monday. I'm supposed to be back in school, but apparently not. So here's the list of things we have to do today. First things first, we do have to go to the storage unit and drop a couple things off. I figured since I'm gonna be staying home a lot more and have nothing to do with my life, I might as well start cleaning my house and making my room a little bit more spacious so I can do more projects, because I think that's the reason why I haven't been doing anything lately. I think it's honestly just because I have no motivation, and I feel like a clean house is definitely motivation. So first things first, go to the storage unit, drop off stuff. I gotta get soap out because I'm pretty sure I have this giant bottle of soap because we ran out and there's no soap in the stores because everyone's fucking dumb. But sorry, sirens are going off. So anyways, there's that. Let's go ahead and head to the storage unit and we can check that thing off our list today. So we're here at the storage unit. This one's ours. So let's just go ahead and get what we need out the car. Ew. Okay, yeah. So the goal is to get rid of as much as I can from here this year. Because I figured I don't use half of this stuff. What's the point of having it? But I hope to start with this picnic basket because my ex got me this and I don't really want anything to do with him or have any kind of memories of it. So this is gonna be the first to go. You know, if I can somehow sell it, considering the coronavirus is taking over. So I'm gonna go ahead and find the soap and we'll drop stuff off in here. I said I was gonna find the soap, and look, it's the first box. So I'm gonna take the rubbing alcohol for sure. That's going in there. This is hard to do with one hand, but basically, look, more soap, so that's good. This was because I was moving out the first time, and I packed everything I had in my house. Alright guys, the bag is secured, mission is accomplished. Hopefully that's enough to get us through this entire BS situation, but yeah, let's get this done. Alright, next thing, I just added something real quick to our list. Time to go. Alright guys, I just added something to our list. This was supposed to go donated, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate that. Okay, update. This is what my hair looks like at 6:59 p.m. I finished my internship. I turned in my camera and I went to go get something to snack on at 0 degrees. It's right there. See? Now we're gonna go home and do the rest of what we have on our list. Hopefully we can get it all done tonight. And yeah, because I have to be at internship at 9 a.m. tomorrow, so there's that. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Yes, 10 a.m. Okay, yeah. See you in a bit. Today is Wednesday, so we're gonna try and get the rest of the chores done today. Right now I'm at Goodwill. It's kind of hard with the coronavirus. I'm so tired of hearing that. So tired of hearing that. It's the most depressing thing ever. But positive stuff is coming, guys. I have an interview tomorrow morning with a hospital for a supervisor's position, so that's kind of exciting. But we'll see if I get it. Yeah, let's go in and see if we find anything interesting.
I know for sure I'm getting the ones that are hanging up. Excuse me.
Alright, so I had to stop recording halfway through because I threw so much clothes on my arm that it was falling and I had to use both arms to carry it. And then I witnessed this girl literally pull a purse out of her purse, stuff in it, and then leave. And the workers were like, did she have 2 purses before? As I was paying, I didn't know what to say, so I just kept my mouth shut. But they knew she stole. They knew she stole because they watched her walk away and said nothing. So to each their own. She must have really needed those clothes. Anyways, we're going back home. We're gonna wash the crap out of this stuff. Gonna wash our other clothes first because I need clothes. And we're gonna sew the shoes and whatever else is on our list. So let's go ahead and check Goodwill off the list. The little thing. Yeah, go ahead and add that, Riche. Okay, on to the next errand. Because I need to switch my aloe vera to these plants, and I needed craft paper for a future project. And since I'm here, I might as well find something to put cat food in. Or some storage stuff. Dollar Tree run is complete, even though that wasn't a part of our list originally. Again, I have nothing to do, so I might as well actually start on the projects that I have lined up.
Alright, so she didn't give me a bag, she gave me a giant box. So in the Jeep, I'm so sorry, Conundrum. In the terrain we go. Alright, so the box is in the back. I don't know if you can tell. It's right there, sitting on the massive pile of Takis that I still have there. We're gonna go home because my other plans were canceled for the day. Oh. God, this lighting is terrible. But we're gonna go home, try them on, look what's in the box. She also gave me stuff to sew for her, so I'll sew that. And before I do that, I gotta go put air in my tire because my car has been bugging me all day telling me this. So let's go back to my side of town. This vlog makes no sense because I'm literally everywhere all week. It makes no sense to y'all, but this is literally my life. And I'm going to edit it like my life because I will jump from one project to chores to doing this to going to work to like, it's just gonna be like that. And I'm sorry if you guys are confused, but that's just how my life is. It's very chaotic. It's what you get. Take it or leave it.